If you've ever needed to view an XML file quickly, but you didn't want to install any extra software, Chrome can actually make that super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an XML file in Chrome using two simple methods, and this works on both Windows and Mac. This is a fast and convenient way to inspect XML content, check structure, and view the file in a clean browser window. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first method is the easiest one, and it's the drag and drop method. Start by opening Google Chrome and creating a new tab. Now open File Explorer if you're on Windows, or Finder if you're on a Mac, and locate the XML file you want to open. Once you find it, click and hold the file, then drag it straight into the Chrome browser window. As soon as you release it, Chrome should open the XML file and display the content in the tab. This method is great because it's fast and doesn't require changing any settings. If the file is small, Chrome will usually show the XML neatly right away. You can scroll through it, read the data, and inspect the tags directly in the browser. If you want to go back and open another XML file, just repeat the same drag and drop process. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the Open With option. This is useful if you want to choose Chrome as the default way to open XML files, or if drag and drop isn't convenient. Find your XML file in File Explorer or Finder, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Open With. You'll see a list of available programs, and from there, choose Google Chrome. Once you click Chrome, the XML file should open in a new browser tab automatically. This is especially helpful if you want a more consistent way to open XML files in the future. On some computers, you may also see an option to always use this app for this file type. If you want Chrome to become your default viewer for XML files, you can enable that option before confirming. If the file opens as plain text or looks a little messy, don't worry. That usually means the XML is being displayed exactly as stored. Chrome is simply showing the file contents in the browser. You can still use it to read the data, copy text, or inspect the file structure. For more advanced editing or formatting, you may need a dedicated XML editor, but for quick viewing, Chrome does the job perfectly. So to recap, the two easiest ways to open an XML file in Chrome are drag and drop the file into a new Chrome tab, or right-click the file and use Open With, then select Google Chrome. Both methods are simple, quick, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.